Oh, my lid dropped down again. This is a bit dicey, isn't it, driving through the middle of a golf course? It's a golf course, yeah, and you not see the guys come through with the caddies and the stuff. No, it wasn't a pram, it was golf clubs. So before it gets too cold, and while it's still a nice pretty autumn day, I've decided to go out, test out this rucker jacket and see if it's going to be warm enough for winter. I bought it second hand and I've done it all up and I've re-proofed it and everything, so that should be brilliant, but I've just got a feeling it's going to be too cold. 10 degrees, let's see. Filling up at Redbeck Services, and then we're going to Skipton to the Route 59 cafe. My lid dropped down again. Such a bang when it does. Scares you to death. This is a bit dicey, isn't it, driving through the middle of a golf course? It's a golf course, yeah, and you not see the guys come through with the caddies and the stuff. No, it wasn't a pram, it was golf clubs. 15 miles, it's not far. I'm colder than I thought I was going to be. Well, yeah, my fingers a little bit, which is bizarre because I've got winter gloves on and it's not even that cold. It's like 9 degrees now apparently on my bike, so it'll be hotter on your bike. I've got winter gloves, I've got winter everything. But my sleeves have come out of my gloves, so I can feel that chill on there a little bit. But this rucker jacket's not got a lining in it, for the simple reason that I wanted to use a heated jacket with it. Yeah. What a view. Beautiful Yorkshire. You're miles away. What are you doing back there? Okay.
I only look at sat-nav for turns. I don't look at sat-nav for windy roads. I just watch my limit point. No. Okay. That's fine. You ride your own ride. We always say that, don't we? Yeah, it does. Massive rocks up on left, but you can't really take your eyes off the road. There's huge, massive boulders. The Insta will have got it as well. So roundabout in a mile. I'm in the wrong place, aren't I? I was good at Starbucks and I'm in the wrong fucking bit. I thought that was Starbucks, it's not. I'm stuck, I can't get out. Do you want to go Starbucks? 7 miles. It's just if it's not open. It's alright, we'll carry on. So we got here to Route 59 Cafe and it's shut. We didn't check before we set off, to be fair, so it's a nice run out. When it's open, the food's pretty good. So We're just gathering ourselves, and then we're going to go back on the road and go and find somewhere for some food, maybe? You hungry? Yeah, it's the A59, even though it's a tiny road, it's an A road. Yeah. Oh, look at all the lovely walls and things from years ago, yeah. Oh, look at golf balls. Shall we get lunch and a wee?
Full fat gold. Easy. Cheers.
So I've decided to have hunter's chicken with a jacket potato and salad garnish because I'm being healthy and I'm being good. For once. And what are you having?
I'm having scampi meal instead of scampi in the basket because they told me if I have scampi in the basket I'll just get a load of chips. So I'm having scampi meal.
Very good. Does that come with anything or do you not know yet?
Peas.
Peas. Do you like peas? More peas, Norma.
More peas, Norma.
Yeah. So we'll film that when it comes and let you have a see. And then we'll give you all the details of the pub. But it's really nice. It's really busy, which is a fantastic sign these days. and we just came round a corner, and there it was. So we'll show you our food when it arrives. Short, but very nice, don't they? Tuck in. It's really lovely. It's really lovely. It's very nicely cooked and presented. It's your butter on. Oh my god, that's amazing. It's really nice, isn't it? Clear. Just keep it going. If you slip, there's a car. Just keep it going. My arse went under there. It just kept going. Yeah. And I'm trying to say to you, just keep it going if it happens. Just keep it going. And there's a car, but don't worry, just keep coming. And the Google was already in my ear. Coat's no good for me, it's too cold. I've probably not got enough layers on either. Yeah. I'm feeling my top of my legs on the outside. Under my arms at my sides. Like down here. To be fair, when it's like 9 degrees and you're doing 50 or 60, you're dropping it right down, aren't you? Yeah, I'm not sure what your wind chill factor is on that. Yeah. But I thought these trousers were going to be a lot warmer than they are. liner in. I've got a pair of thick velvet lined tights on. But it could be because my car's not warm enough. And my socks, my feet are cold. But I've got the heated seat on. Yeah. It don't feel that warm. I wonder if it's plugged in right. Well, it must be, otherwise it wouldn't be showing up, would it? Where them bikes are.
So it's lovely to get home with the sun setting in the west, having had a really nice ride out into the Yorkshire Dales. I'm Sandy, my husband Campbell has been along with me today. Thank you so much for joining us. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, much appreciated. And I definitely know what I'll be doing now for the winter. And as Alfred Wainwright, the fell walker, says, there's no bad weather, just bad clothing. So I'll be making sure that my clothing's up to par and get out in the winter, because over the last couple of years I've missed out on quite a lot of decent rides, amazing days, biking opportunities. So hopefully I'll be doing some catching up and we won't be leaving the bike in the garage, because this Tiger is built for the job and we can get out even though there's salt on the roads, there's just not great weather. I'm hoping that we can go out and still enjoy some fantastic biking days, and I'd really love to take you along so you can see what's happening. So thanks again for watching.